guest speaker for this year's Moving Up Ceremony and Recognition Day. Our guest speaker was born on March 30, 1999. She's the daughter of Engineer Ferdinand Alcos and Engineer Julieta Manumbas Alcos. During her childhood years, she studied at Golden Nest Learning Center, the former name of Our Lady of Socorro Academy, from kinder to grade 6, and she graduated valedictorian in the year 2011. When she entered high school, she studied at Mary Help of Christians College and became editor-in-chief in MHCC magazine and graduated salutatorian in the year 2015. In fact, she is one of the many students that belong to the last batch of students who graduated in high school from the then basic education curriculum. She also received the Laura Vicuña Batang Mary Help Award. As she entered the next step of her learning, she studied at the University of the Philippines Manila, or UP Manila, taking the course BS Nursing, where she became a university scholar during her second year in college, as well as became the president of Nursing Batch 2020. She graduated in the year 2020 and became the recipient of the Outstanding Performance at the Global Health Nursing. When she took the nursing board exam, she passed and became ranked 11. Her working experience was also in UP Manila, where she became a researcher for the Integrated Rare Disease Management Program. And in 2 years, she worked as Genetic Clinic Operations Manager. At present, she is now studying at St. Luke's College of Medicine and currently a second-year medicine student. She is about to follow the footsteps of her ate, who is also a doctor, her sister, Dr. Janina Alcos. She also has a TikTok account, Love Julian and Julian Reads. Kindly follow her TikTok account. And she has only 181,000 followers. Sana po. For some of her brand collaborations are Jollibee, Uniqlo, Globe, National Bookstore, Universal Rubina, Pop Mart, Penguin Random House, and Metro Bank. She was also recognized globally when she invited to represent the Philippines in the Singapore Writers Festival in Singapore and become an ambassador for the Philippines Book Festival. Graduates, awardees, parents, dear teachers, and guests, let us all welcome our guest speaker for the 14th Moving Up Exercises and Recognition Day, Miss Julian Pearl Manumbas Alcos.
To Ma'am Sheila Dulencio, School Directress, teachers, students, graduates, and parents, a pleasant morning to all of you. Good morning, kids! Walang energy. Good morning! Ayan. 14 years. It's been exactly 14 years nung tumayo po ako sa stage na to para magbigay ng speech para sa mga batchmates ko. Naalala ko pa po ang lahat na parang kahapon lang. Nakikita ko pa rin po yung court na to. Parang ganito pa rin po ang height ko. At parang hindi po tumatanda si Teacher Sheila. Parang bata pa rin po. I remember a lot of things, but what I can't remember is what I wanted to be at that moment. Hindi ko po maalala kung ano nga ba yung pangarap ko nun. Kaya ngayon, pupunta po tayo sa ibang mga students para tanungin lang kung ano yung mga pangarap nila ngayon or kung ano yung gusto nilang maging. Dahil graduating kayo, kayo ang napili ko. Ikaw, ano bang gusto mong maging in the future?
Doctor.
Doctor! Kaya mo yan, good luck. Ikaw?
Architect.
Architect!
Vet.
Wow! Ang ganda ng mga pangarap nila. And I will pray na matupad niya yan. O sa mga kids naman, ikaw baby, meron ka bang gusto maging in the future? Doctor din. Ayan. Okay, thank you po sa mga sagot at ipagdadasal ko po talaga na matupad niyo po yung mga pangarap niyo. And then, katulad niyo po ako, madami rin po akong mithiin noong bata ako. Matagal ko nang gustong mag-doktor. I also wanted to be a teacher, a geologist, an astronaut. Pwede nga rin pong Pinoy Big Brother housemate, pinangarap ko rin po. Madami po akong pinangarap at parang sa bawat paglipas ng panahon, nagbabago ito. But with every changing dream, there's one thing constant in my life. And that is the support of the people around me. Kahit na ang daming nagbabago, wala po akong maalala na panahon sa buhay ko na walang naniwala sa akin. And I truly believe na sa edad po nila ngayon, the most important thing ay hindi po kung anong gusto nilang maging. Kasi alam niyo naman po, sa paglipas ng panahon, pwede po itong magbago. Nagkakaroon tayo ng ibang mga hilig o takot sa buhay. Sa ngayon po, the most important thing is that they keep on dreaming. Ang mahalaga, patuloy silang naniniwala sa sarili nila na kaya nila. At maaari pong nalimutan ko na kung ano pang gusto kong maging noon nung bata pa ako, but I will never forget the support and love that I received from the people surrounding me. For the parents, congratulations as well. Alam ko po na madaming panahon sa buhay nyo na hindi nyo na rin po alam ang gagawin. Para kasi pag tumatanda na tayo, nalilimutan po ng mga tao sa buhay na unang buhay din natin ito. Normal na magkamali, normal na hindi mo alam ang gagawin. Normal na maiyak ka rin sa first day of class ng mga anak mo o sa graduation ng anak nyo. Pero ngayon, nandito kayo at ang anak nyo, ito ay isang patunay na nakaya nyo. Alam ko pong madami kayong nilagpasan na problema at ang iba pa doon ay hindi nyo masabi sa iba. Kaya bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ng mga magulang na nandito ngayon. "14 years ago, I came to my graduation with my sister, parents, and grandparents. Hanggang ngayon po, nandito po ang mga since 4 years old po yata ay stage parents na po sila sa akin. My grandparents, however, have passed away 12 years ago. Naaalala ko po na sa bawat graduation ko ay pumupunta sila kahit na ang layo-layo ng probinsya namin na San Pablo. Pinipilit pa rin po nilang pumunta. At nung ilinis po namin yung bahay nila, nung nag-pass away po sila noon, nakita ko po na bawat graduation invitation ko noon sa Golden Nest Learning Center ay tinatago nila mula grade 1 ako. How I wish na mapanood po nila ito. But even if they're not with me anymore, kahit na paglipas ng panahon, maaaring makalimutan ko ang tunog ng mga boses nila o mga bagay na gusto nila. What I will never forget is the love that they showed me over those years. Kahit wala na sina lolo o lola, nandito pa rin ang pagmamahal nila na binibigay nila sa akin. Even if they pass away, the love that they gave me continues to grow because I truly believe na yung pagmamahal na binibigay ko sa bawat pangarap ko ay galing pa rin sa kanila hanggang ngayon. This is why it's very important to choose an environment that fosters your growth. An environment that showers you with love. The most important thing is that the environment should remain constant. Of course, mahalaga na sineselebrate natin ang bawat panalo sa buhay natin, katulad na rin ngayon. Pero let's not forget that it's important to be there for someone not just in wins, but also in losses. In fact, mas mahalaga po na nasa tabi tayo ng isa't isa sa mga panahon ng kalungkutan dahil doon natin mas kailangan ng kasama. And for the students, especially the graduates, naalala ko pa, bago ako lumipat ng school noon, umiiyak ako sa mama ko kasi nga tuwang-tuwa ako sa Golden Nest and 7 years ng buhay ko in-spend ko dito at komportable na rin ako sa paligid ko. But I'm here to tell you that there's a bigger world out there. Madaming beses na natakot ako, madaming beses na umiyak ako, and there's a lot of times that I failed. Pero yung mga naramdaman ko na yon, parang wala na lang, parang tila ala-ala na lang sila. What stayed is the lessons that I got from those moments. Sa buhay, may mga laban na makakaya mo at may mga laban na hindi ka mananalo. May mga pagkakataon na hindi ko kinaya Pero dahil sa mga yon, natuto ako para kayanin yung iba pang pagsubok na dumating. Bago ko tapusin ang speech na to, gusto kong titigan nyo kids, yung mga katabi nyo. Titigan nyo na ngayon, ang swerte nyo pa kung crush nyo yan. So, alam ko na isang taon din na sama-sama kayong nag-aral, nagkulitan sa eskwelahan, and dadating din, nakakalungkot isipin, pero dadating din ang panahon na hindi nyo na makakausap ang isa't isa. Pero kahit na ganon, I hope that you will serve as a reminder for each other. Meron akong batchmate abroad, meron akong batchmate ngayon na may coffee shop, meron din akong batchmate na katulad ko na nagdo-doktor. And I have a batchmate na meron na rin pamilya. Every time na nakikita ko sila, pag nag-scroll ako ng social media o sa Facebook, ang naalala ko is we were once kids with big dreams. Isa lang akong bata noon na katulad nyo, na pinapangarap kung ano na ako ngayon. May mga pangarap akong natupad, may mga pangarap akong hindi na makakamit, at higit sa lahat, katulad nyo, may mga pangarap akong tutuparin pa lang. Ang hiling ko ay sana sa mga pangarap nyo, huwag niyong kalimutan na tumulong sa iba para sila rin ay magkaroon ng pagkakataon na mangarap din. Once again, thank you and congratulations to everyone.